The Pagani Zonda was never meant to follow rules. It was built to rewrite them. Before hypercars became tech-heavy weapons, the Zonda arrived as rolling art with a beating mechanical heart. Carbon fiber wasn't just structural here, it was emotional. Every curve, every exposed weave, every titanium bolt existed to be admired and abused at speed. At its core sits an AMG-sourced naturally aspirated V12. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just raw displacement, razor-sharp throttle response, and a soundtrack that rises from deep thunder to an F1-like scream as the revs climb. Power evolved from the early models to well over 700 horsepower in later variants, but the magic was never about numbers, it was about sensation. The Zonda doesn't rush you off the line. It builds speed with drama. Each gear change snaps with mechanical intent, delivered through a gated manual that feels alive in your hand. This is driving reduced to instinct and precision, every input rewarded, every mistake magnified. Aerodynamics play a quiet but deadly role. Massive rear wings, sculpted vents, and underbody channels generate serious downforce without ever overwhelming the design. At speed, the car feels planted, confident, almost predatory, a balance few machines ever achieve. Historically, the Zonda represents Horacio Pagani's rebellion against mass production. Each car was hand-built, customized, and treated like a signature rather than a skew. No two Zondas are truly alike, turning each example into a one-of-one legend. Inside, the craftsmanship borders on obsession. Exposed carbon, milled aluminum, leather stitched like haute couture. Even the smallest switch feels intentional. It's a cockpit that reminds you this is both a hypercar and a masterpiece. Tuning the Zonda was never about chasing records. It was about refining feel, suspension geometry, aero balance, and weight distribution tuned for emotion rather than spreadsheets. That philosophy is why the Zonda still feels alive decades later. In an era dominated by algorithms and electric silence, the Zonda stands as proof that passion ages better than technology. And as hypercars chase the future, some legends remain timeless, echoing through carbon fiber and V12 harmonics.